Hey friends, this is Heather. Today we're gonna make a spiced apple couscous recipe because I don't know about you, but I've been feeling in need of some variety from oatmeal through the winter when I can't have smoothies. And couscous is super quick to make, so all we're gonna do is add some flavor to it and then top it with some stovetop cooked apples. So to start with, I've boiled some water in my kettle. I'm gonna get some couscous, and I find this lovely whole wheat couscous, although you can use regular if that's all you can get. Put however much you like in there. I usually find about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup is a good serving for me. Oh, before we put the water in, we're gonna add some seasoning. That's the point of making this into a fun breakfast. So I've got some cinnamon, a little pinch of nutmeg, and let's see. So I'm gonna put some vanilla stevia drops in here, although you could use regular vanilla and a little bit of sugar, coconut sugar, whatever you like. I'm gonna put the water in first, and then so that it mixes in evenly, I'm gonna do 4 drops. And then I'm just gonna cover that with a lid. I know a lot of people cover their couscous with saran wrap, but this is reusable. So that's all there is to that. And then I'm just gonna chop up my apple and cook it on the stove top. I've done a video about that before, so you can pop over and watch that on how to do this. So I've got my apples cooked now, and the cool thing is that while your apples cook, your couscous will be getting perfectly done. So if we take the cover off, you can see the cinnamon has migrated to wherever it feels like, so you want to fluff that up. You can definitely sprinkle this with maple syrup or sugar or both. You could put some non-dairy milk on it if you like, but I kind of want to just keep it like this. Fluffy and dry and crunchy. So I'm just going to top it with my apples and all the syrup that came off with them. I'm also going to sprinkle a few dried cherries on top here because they go so beautifully, and a few pumpkin seeds. There you go. That's a super easy breakfast. I've been enjoying this as a little switch up from oatmeal. Different texture, different flavor. Yum. So good. All the flavors, all the textures, everything goes really, really nicely together. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave me a thumbs up if you do. Any comments or questions down below. You can obviously make some variations on this, so let me know if you do a little improv on this basic outline. If you're new here, you can subscribe and hit the notifications if you want to know when I post new videos. For now, have a wonderful, healthy, happy day. Thank you so much for watching, and we shall talk soon. Bye, guys.